Skill development and entrepreneurship. The total allocation of the skill development and entrepreneurship has been increased by 30.03% and which is 148.24 crores. Speaker sir, the vision of my government is the skilling of the human resource available in the state so that all youth find gainful employment opportunities. I proposed to formulate Chief Minister apprenticeship policy aimed at the skilling of manpower across the diverse field. The youth will be the skilled and different skill set of the government department, corporation, panchayat, municipalities and private industries. Goa Education Development Corporation will be the nodal agency for the implementation of this policy, for which the provision of rupees 5 crores has been made. Speaker sir, my government has formulated Chief Minister's Kaushalya scheme, and with the objective to skill, reskill, upskill maximum number of the local youth at large scale at a high speed with the quality standards. An allocation of rupees 1.75 crores has been made for this scheme. Speaker sir, the construction of the new block of ITI Panji is expected to be completed by April 23 at a cost of rupees 3.34 crores. Speaker sir, under the project of upgradation of the ITS into the Center of Excellence through the Tata Technology Limited, the 5 government ITS will be upgraded to the total cost of rupees 209.72 crores. The objectives of this upgradation is to align the skill impart in line with the industry job roles for the gainful employment of all students. Speaker sir, I proposed to set up the tinkering lab in 5 government ITS under the Strive scheme of Government of India at a cost of rupees 1 crore.